Hey guys, I'm back again. Here with my cousin.
We about to prank my sister, dude. What's up, gang gang?
Yeah, he's kind of weird. Don't mind him. Please don't. Like, he's weird. Dante, show yourself. Hold up. What the heck is this?
What are you doing?
Trying to get this thing off my eye.
Ooh, that's a big one. That's a big one.
Oh my gosh.
What's up?
Dante.
Look how.
Okay, so if y'all know what we trying to do, we're trying to prank my cousin. So technically,
You have to hide the camera.
I know. So technically, Dante is just going to be like, putting like slime like on his nose, and then like
I wish we had green slime though.
he's gonna like try and like sneeze, and so like,
Oh, snap, it came off.
and so Reagan can like look at him like he's crazy or whatnot. So I'm gonna set up. Oh snap! They coming! Shoot!
I'll get on the phone.
All right.
My sister,
Don't laugh. I can't show her.
Snap, it came out.
I can't make it look.
Hey, I see it coming out your nose. I'm not dumb.
Look at her face!
This is hilarious. This is hilarious.
With Reagan.
They're really weird.
This was funny.
Please tell me you like these.
Oh yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mommy better not eat something.
Oh yeah, baby! You got red hots.
Oh, she got the bigger one.
We just pranked the heck out of Reagan.
No, she got completely different. I like the one I got Aaron.
We just pranked the heck out of Reagan.
Can I have my JoJo book?
Oh, shit.
So look, this is Dante.
Guys, y'all better give him
This-
a subscribe.
This is Dante. This is Reagan, and this is Aunt Jackie. Out of all people,
I'm JoJo. What's that?
and y'all know me,
I'm JoJo.
the cutest guy on YouTube.
I'm famous, y'all. I'm famous, y'all.
Yeah.
Look,
I'm gonna be starting out this like process like very
Your
slowly,
face is on her face.
and so yeah, I'm
And
out
hold
of
the
here.
camera to me.
See y'all.
Hold the camera to me.
Not-
We're going to be doing another YouTube video at the house, just to let y'all know. So, click down into the channel and watch his videos. Nice.
Yeah. Bye guys.